Welcome to Arts and Crafts with Flash Performance. I'm Chad, and today we're going to be making a nut bucket. So what is a nut bucket? Well, when you take your lug nuts off, you want to put them in a bucket. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take that bucket and we're going to put a magnet on it, and then we're going to stick it to the side of the lift. So that way you don't lose your nuts. Nut bucket. So what do you need to build your nut bucket? You need a bucket. You need nuts. A hot pink glue gun and a magnet from an old light. Or two, whatever you want to do. Whenever I take lug nuts off of cars, I usually just stick them up here on the lift and hope that they stay. Well, I had this idea of what if I had a bucket that stuck to the side of the lift. That way I could take those same nuts, put it in that bucket, and then it would just stick to the lift. And if I needed to move them, I could. If I wanted to move that, I could. Well, I thought it was a great idea. Somebody stole it from me. Okay, they didn't actually steal it from me. They beat me to it a long time ago. These are actually from Lisle tools. These are little buckets that are shaped to hang on the side of a lift or on a lift arm or just magnetic in general. And these stick right to your lift. And then you can take those same nuts and throw them in that bucket and they stick to the magnet. So booyah, no arts and crafts on my side. Again, these are from Lisle Tools, and this is a part number 67300, and they come boxed individually. And when you look at them, it's made of a good high quality plastic, but the magnet on the bottom you'll see has got a rubber coating on it. So you can even put these on things that way you don't scratch them. So you don't have to worry about running that down your lift and putting a big scratch in it, but all the product stays inside of there. You don't have to worry about it falling out. You can put these on a table, or the way that bucket is designed, it'll stick right onto a lift. So I picked up 4 of these guys. That way I would have one on each corner of the lift. I can stick them on the arms, put my nuts in there, or if I have little pieces that I'm working on, maybe on exhaust, I have a way to keep a hold of those without them falling out. Now, the little magnetic bowls are fantastic, but they don't have this cup design to them. So a bowl, you really have to have it either perfectly flat and have everything stick to it. But this can actually stick on the side of the arm and keep all the product inside it without it falling out. Absolutely genius. One less thing to have to chase around the shop. If you're like me, stuff falls off the lift arms all the time. I set it up on there all nice and neat, and then you put one wrench up there and the whole shebang falls down. So make sure you check these guys out. Again, these are from Lisle Tools. So make sure you check these guys out. Again, these are from Lisle Tools. You can pick these up at your local parts store or even from your tool truck or even online. I'll put links in the description below so you can check them out too. Thanks for watching. I'm Chad from Flash Performance. We'll catch you next time.